Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Founded in 2017 by Hardik Desai, Melzo is a device-agnostic, web-based virtual reality platform that seeks to redefine businesses and people-to-people interactions with the use of AR, VR, and hologram. Headquartered in Surat, this web-based platform offers a wide range of virtual reality, augmented reality, and hologram solutions such as Melzo Creator, Melzo Udyog, Melzo Mela, and more. The brand caters to more than 185 customers in domestic and international markets across various industries such as hospitality, real estate, jewelry, and automobiles. Hello and welcome to another episode of Inspirational Brands Make in India. Through this series, we put the spotlight on various business verticals that are contributing significantly to the government's Make in India mission. And the first brand that we are featuring on the show today is a Surat-based startup that's making businesses come alive with its tech-enabled experiences. And to tell us more about the brand, I'm joined by the founder and CEO of Melzo, Hardik Desai. Welcome to CNBC TV 18, Hardik.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's a pleasure to be on the show.
Let me start by asking you, Hardik, you're a graduate from IIT Guwahati and you started the company Melzo in the year 2017. What was the idea and motivation behind starting your own venture?
I've always been passionate about frontier technology from very early days of my college. And in fact, I also worked on a computer vision and machine learning based startup while I was still pursuing my BTech from IIT Guwahati. But round about the same time, I identified a gap in the market where immersive and interactive content was not just very hard to create in the sense that it required a lot of technical proficiency in order to be able to create such content, but it was also very, very hard to consume that content even if it had been created successfully. Of course, there was also many issues of compatibility and cross-platform delivery. Essentially, what it was resulting in was that a creator who wanted to create beautiful, immersive, engaging content could not create for the lack of technical proficiency, and the user who wanted to consume such content had to invest lakhs of rupees in the relevant hardware just to become capable of consuming it. And that gap in the market was what prompted me to sort of start on this journey, adventurous journey that we've been working on for the last three years plus.
Now, Melzo is a Surat-based startup that allows people to create and consume AR and VR content seamlessly. Could you tell us more about the journey of the company?
We started in the year 2017, and back then we were one of the first VR AR platforms in India. Fast forward 3 years, now we are a team of 60 plus passionate technocrats working on world-defining technologies. We've delivered 180 plus projects globally for marquee clients like Indian Oil Corporation, Apparel Export Promotion Council of India, Larsen & Toubro, Linde Engineering, Startup India, ICICI, and so on. We worked on many technologies which are currently, to the best of my knowledge, world-leading in many aspects, and we've also been recognized for the same in the multiple awards that we won till date from the Government of Gujarat, Government of India, WhatsApp, and Dubai government, to name few.
Okay. Now, you claim that Melzo is the Instagram and PowerPoint of the AR and VR. The platform allows people to create and share their experiences in the virtual world. Give us a sense of the platform and how it really works.
Essentially, we want to completely reimagine people-to-people and business-to-people interactions and engagements. So far, most of the engagements that happen with the user are more of a third-person experiences in nature, where the consumer is sitting in front of the media or the device and they are consuming the information being thrown at them. We want to reimagine this in a way where the user will be in the driving seat and events would be unfolding around the user as they go through these many experiences. So we believe that the next wave of consumption will be driven by such interactive, immersive experiences where the users feel at home, feel at ease, feel at comfort in completely different environments and realities. So we created a platform called Melzo, which is essentially a drag drop, click place, kind of a simplified creator that lets anyone create engaging interactive experiences, and that also lets anyone consume these experiences using nothing but a web browser or a mobile phone or a television or whatever device that they have available with them readily.
Melzo enables the users to create immersive VR experiences in categories such as travel, automobile, retail, jewelry, among others. Could you elaborate on that, please?
Sure. So essentially, we are a web-based platform as a service that helps businesses better communicate with their customers about their products and their offerings. So if I just highlight a few of our products, one is Melzo Noor, that lets any jeweler send the latest designs, the latest sets, the latest ornaments that they have in stock to their consumers via a simple web link. And the consumer sitting at home can click on the web link and try that ornament on themselves, how it will look, how it will fit, and then sort of get comfortable with the design and hopefully proceed for a purchase. Similarly, another product of ours, Melzo Auto, lets automobile showrooms and dealerships engage with their customers sitting at home, where customers can take virtual test drives. They can engage with a artificial intelligence driven bot. That bot would answer questions like what is the torque, what is the RPM, what is the engine in this car, and that AI would understand the question and answer back. We also have a product called Melzo Creator that lets ordinary people like me who are probably traveling through new territories take simple photos from their phone, convert it into 360 on our platform, and then upload it and create a powerful travel log of sorts. Essentially, the suite of Melzo products, whether it is Melzo Noor, Melzo Auto, Melzo Creator, Melzo Viewer, Melzo Live, which is a live 360 VR streaming solution, these suite of products make it easier for businesses and users alike to create compelling, engaging first-person experiences that can then be used to engage with their wider base of consumers.
All right, let's talk about the industry now. In the last few years, the momentum of the AR and VR market has been very active. A lot of MNCs are working to develop this technology. How do you differentiate yourself from the other AR and VR startups in the market?
So since the beginning, we've had this internal mantra of sort in our company that build a product for a billion consumers, not for billionaires. Essentially what that signifies is that any product, feature, specification that we try to build out is built with a single purpose in mind, that how will it scale, how will it reach to hundreds of thousands of users, crossing the barriers of device, operating system, internet connectivity, and so on. So all our products are essentially powered by a single intelligence, a single platform, which we call the Melzo platform. And then in turn, that platform powers different applications across industries, across products, across implementations. So our biggest unique differentiator would be that we have built that single platform, the all-powerful, all-encompassing platform that can now be scaled to different industries without much effort. But not just about scaling to new industries, also maintaining the products becomes easier because I just have to maintain my core platform and all the products get updated simultaneously real time. Over the last few years, we feel that AR/VR has evolved considerably, most notably post the pandemic, because suddenly a need for virtual events and virtual engagement was thrown open because businesses were looking for new ways to engage with their customers. And I feel that it is here to stay even once the pandemic has subsided, because once the comfort and the reach of virtual events or virtual engagement has been truly understood by businesses, I feel it is one of the most cost-effective methods, and it would be sort of evolving into a hybrid going forward, where physical as well as virtual both will be taking place simultaneously side by side to maximize returns for businesses.
Right, and finally, I want to know from you, what are your growth and expansion plans for the company in the new normal?
Another internal mantra in our company is that we really, sincerely, wholeheartedly believe it is time for India to be inspirational and not just aspirational. It's time for us to build solutions that can solve real problems in the world. And in order to do that, we need to be going and conquering newer territories, newer countries, newer geographies, and taking our solutions made with love in India but made for the world. Sticking to that mantra, we recently started our first overseas office in Abu Dhabi, UAE to cater to the Middle East and Northern African market. We anticipate expanding to more countries in time to come and taking our excellent indigenous made in India solutions across the world in helping businesses and consumers engage in a more meaningful, more personal, more interactive, more immersive way.
Thank you so much for speaking to CNBC TV 18, Hardik. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. On that note, we'll slip into a short break, but stay with us as we bring you another inspiring story on the other side. Stay tuned.